Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Not this one, but this one. I was playing around this morning with the Sprial tool and came up with this, and it's 100% symmetrical and even, and you could do a lot with it. So we're going to go up and we're going to get the Sprial tool, which is underneath your polygon, but I'm going to just set it on one revolution. I'm going to hold down the control button so it's perfect. Now I'm going to control D and I'm going to mirror it both ways. And I'm going to grab this node and have it snap to, well, I wasn't quite on it. Snap to it. Look at that. It's 100% equal. Now, one of two things we can try, grouping it and hitting P, put it in the center of the page. If we wanted our shadow even, we're going to go to, well, let's fill them in first with the Smart Fill tool. I've been using that blue a lot lately. Interactive Fill tool, and I'm going to put some darkness up here. Whoop, wrong one, wrong box. I want to put some darkness up here. That makes it look like it's kind of running underneath that other one. Now, in lieu of doing that again, and I'm going to grab them both and take away the outline of both of them, I'm going to control D to duplicate, alternate C to rotate it, and I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees. That way I got a perfect, both blends or both interactive fill tools are exactly the same. You know, even on an oval, you don't think about stuff like that. And there's, still a lot more you could do with this while you're playing with it. I actually like that one. I'm going to hit the plus key and move it out of the way. And I'm going to take this one and I'm going to get back to the interactive fill tool. That's the advantage of being able to, you would not probably be able to mimic this exactly with the other one. I kind of like that white on the tail over here. Now we can take this away, Control D to duplicate it, alternate C to rotate it, and rotate it 180 degrees. Yeah, maybe I don't like that white tip. This would be a good one to clone. People are probably getting me tired of cloning stuff, but I'm going to go to edit and clone, and I'm going to alternate C and rotate it 180 degrees. Of course, this isn't going to be my clone. My control curve is right there. I actually nudged it, but my nudge is so little, I'm going to nudge it like 10 inches, and I'm going to nudge this out of the way. Take this one, Control D, alternate C, go back to 0. Now this is my control curve. These are both clone curves. So now I can get my interactive fill tool and I could take away, I could add, look at that. That kind of destroys it. But if you didn't want that white on that tip, look at that. There's no way if you didn't have them symmetrical that you could do that. And you could do anything. You could keep adding colors. Let's just see what it looks like if we get a pre. And not so much. Not so much. Pretty cool. Then you could slant these. Look at that. Look. That's pretty special. Anyway, I hope that helped you give you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.